Gentlemen, today we embark on a journey of self-discovery and transformation. We'll unravel the mysteries that make certain men irresistibly magnetic to women, unlocking the secrets to becoming a high-value individual coveted by the fairer sex. Brace yourselves, for the insights you're about to uncover will revolutionize your dating and relationship paradigm. Introduction: the power of high value. In the realm of attraction, value is paramount. High-value men exude an aura of confidence, charisma, and self-assurance that captivates women on a primal level. They are the epitome of what every woman desires, a man who not only ignites her passion but also commands her respect and admiration. The allure of a high-value man transcends mere physical appearance. It's a potent blend of character, mindset, and the way he carries himself in the world. Chapter 1: Cultivating an Unshakable Sense of Self-Worth. The foundation of being a high-value man rests upon an unwavering sense of self-worth. You must truly believe in your inherent value as a human being, independent of external validation or accomplishments. This inner confidence radiates outward, creating a magnetic force that draws others towards you. To cultivate self-worth, you must first embark on a journey of self-acceptance. Embrace your strengths and weaknesses, recognizing that imperfections are what make you uniquely human. Celebrate your achievements, but don't let them define your worth. True self-worth emanates from within, and it's a choice you make every day. Chapter 2: Embracing Authenticity and Vulnerability. High-value men possess the courage to be unapologetically themselves. They understand that true magnetism lies in authenticity, the fearless expression of one's genuine thoughts, feelings, and beliefs. Authenticity breeds trust and respect, two essential ingredients that ignite desire in women. Embrace your quirks, passions, and idiosyncrasies, for they are what make you beautifully unique. Furthermore, cultivate the art of vulnerability. A man who can openly express his emotions and vulnerabilities is a rarity, and this level of emotional depth is profoundly attractive to women. Chapter 3: Developing a Growth Mindset and Insatiable Curiosity. High-value men are perpetual learners, constantly seeking to expand their knowledge and broaden their horizons. They possess an insatiable curiosity about the world and a relentless drive for personal growth. This mindset not only fuels intellectual stimulation but also demonstrates a commitment to self-improvement that women find irresistible. Embrace a growth mindset by actively seeking out new experiences, pursuits, and perspectives. Engage in continuous learning, whether through reading, taking courses, or exploring new hobbies. A man who is intellectually curious and open to growth exudes an infectious energy that captivates those around him. Chapter 4: Cultivating Passion and Purpose. High-value men are driven by a profound sense of passion and purpose. They have a clear vision for their life's journey and the determination to pursue their dreams relentlessly. This unwavering commitment to their goals and aspirations is profoundly attractive to women, who crave a partner with direction and ambition. Identify your deepest passions and pursue them with fervor. Whether it's a creative endeavor, a professional goal, or a cause you believe in, let your passion fuel your actions and infuse your life with meaning. A man with purpose radiates a magnetic energy that draws others into his orbit. Chapter 5: Developing Emotional Intelligence and Communication Skills. High-value men possess a deep well of emotional intelligence, enabling them to navigate the complexities of human interaction with grace and empathy. They understand the importance of effective communication, both in expressing themselves and actively listening to others. Cultivate your emotional intelligence by practicing self-awareness, empathy, and active listening. Learn to identify and express your emotions in a healthy manner, while also being attuned to the emotional needs of those around you. Effective communication is the cornerstone of profound connections and deep attraction. Chapter 6: Embracing Confidence and Charisma. Confidence and charisma are the hallmarks of a high-value man. These traits exude an irresistible allure, commanding attention and respect wherever he goes. Confidence stems from a deep-rooted belief in oneself, while charisma is the ability to captivate and charm those around you. Develop your confidence by celebrating your accomplishments, embracing your unique qualities, and standing tall in the face of adversity. Cultivate charisma by practicing engaging body language, maintaining eye contact, and developing the art of storytelling. A confident and charismatic man leaves an indelible impression on those he encounters. Chapter 7: Building a Well-Rounded, Fulfilling Life. High-value men understand that true magnetism extends beyond the realm of romantic pursuits. They lead rich, fulfilling lives filled with diverse interests, passions, and pursuits. A well-rounded life not only enriches personal growth but also adds depth and substance to one's character. Invest in your physical, mental, and emotional well-being by adopting healthy habits, engaging in hobbies and interests, and fostering meaningful relationships with friends and family. A man with a balanced and fulfilling life exudes an irresistible energy that women find captivating. Conclusion: embracing your magnetic presence. Gentlemen, the secrets to becoming a high-value man lie within each of you. By cultivating self-worth, embracing authenticity, pursuing growth and passion, developing emotional intelligence, exuding confidence and charisma, and living a well-rounded life, you unlock the magnetic presence that women crave. Remember, true magnetism is not a superficial facade but a profound embodiment of your authentic self. Embrace this journey of self-discovery and transformation, and watch as the world responds to your newfound magnetic presence. Become the high-value man you were meant to be, and witness the irresistible allure that unfolds before you.